In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monday.com API key. To get started, first log in to your Monday.com account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you have access to the account settings you need, because depending on your permission level, some options may appear slightly differently. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that everything has fully loaded so it's easier to navigate through the menu options. Next, look for your profile picture, usually located in the corner of the screen. Click on it to open the main account menu. This is where Monday.com places a variety of personal and workspace related settings. So if you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. Just carefully scan the list for the next option. From that menu, go to Developers or Admin Settings. The exact label can vary depending on your account type, your role, or updates to the platform interface. If you have admin access, you may see more settings than a regular user. The goal here is simply to reach the area where developer tools or account level integrations are managed. Once you're there, open the section labeled API or API tokens. This is the area where Monday.com allows you to view or manage the token used to connect your account with outside tools, apps, or automations. If you've never created one before, you may not see an active token right away, and that's completely normal. If needed, generate a new API token. When you do this, remember that the token acts like a secure key that gives integration tools access to certain data in your account. Because of that, you should only create a token when you actually need one, and you should avoid generating extra tokens unless necessary. After the token appears, copy the API key carefully. Double check that you've copied the full value without leaving out any characters. Since these keys are usually long and sensitive, it's best to use the copy button if one is provided rather than trying to select it manually. Finally, store the API key securely and use it only for trusted integrations. Treat it like a password because anyone with access to it may be able to connect to your Monday.com data. Keep it in a secure password manager or another protected location, and never share it openly in documents, messages, or screenshots. And that's it. You now know how to locate and safely handle your Monday.com API key.